Hey everyone, I'm Joe and welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to record, edit and mix music and audio, then you're in the right place. I want to help you to understand the basics and the not so basics of the audio production process, on how to build a home studio, how to record music and podcasts, how to work with other musicians. It's all here. I've been working in the audio industry since I studied audio in university over 10 years ago, and now I want to share with you my journey and what I've learned so far so that you can achieve your audio goals. You'll find a brand new video here every single week, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're the first to know when a new video arrives. I also recommend heading over to joecrowtheaudiopro.com for blog posts, for free downloadable guides and more content to help you on your journey. And feel free to comment below this video. Let me know who you are and where you are in your journey towards learning audio production. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.